Sambonani, welcome to Couch Coach, your coach on the couch, the best coach on the couch. Please like, please share, and please subscribe. But the most important thing, please enjoy the film session. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for pressing the play button. Orlando Pirates 1, Mamelodi Sundowns 2. Great game, Bafetu. Great result for the Sundowns. At Pirates 1, for me, league ways of say league. Even though Pirates is league, I still believe Uguti they are going to win the league. Because I don't think Uguti, the teams Lawa Sele, wonke angadli Pirates. Maybe Chiefs, Ngadli Pirates guy won. But the rest of the teams, I think I need to walk over, but Pirates is going to win. Now going to the game, right? Both of these teams, right? They used to play similar formation, 4-2-3-1, but Sundowns have changed in their last couple of days, 2.5 games. They've played a different formation. Now the difference between the two teams, right, is Sundowns wants to control the game. They want to slow down the game and pass the ball around so that they can have spaces in the middle or Emasaitin. Whereas the Pirates on the other side, they can play on transition. If they win the ball in the middle, badala fast, right? That's how you saw most of their chances is when they won the ball in the middle. That's how they got their chances, right? And then the second thing, the difference between these two teams is Pirates is a shifter among players, right? There are players they can switch. You see Mfugeng on the right, Nini's on the left, kanjalo. Whereas the Sundowns, they move, they do tactical switches, like formation here change. I'm gonna show you that. Now, let's start. Let's a Pirates, right? So normally we know Guti Pirates will like to play a diagonal pass to Utian Holt. Diagonal pass. If you don't win, I always say, if you don't win the first ball, you have to win the second ball. Sundowns does not win the first ball, they win the second ball, but it clearance bafethu. Kekana, we can't have that at this level. Futhi, that's a bad clearance. In football, guys, you need luck. You need luck. Just think about it. Equally Pirates, it was a deflection. Now, had they had that luck in the first half, the game would have changed. The Pirates we one need, right? You need luck. Any team, whether they're the best team in the world, at some point you need luck to win a game. Second chance to Orlando Pirates. Again, for me, Ukekana is caught sleeping. Some players are lucky, guys. For I think Ulimalo Gamvala and Noga Cupido, right? Ians Guti Ukekana dlala. Unama mistake amaningi. They are simple. They're supposed to clear the ball. Yeah, let me start here. This is Sundowns ball, ne? Sundowns ball. Keep it simple. If you look past on the outside foot, okay, sharp. Sundowns wins the ball again. You can't, Buffett. Mara. You can't run with the ball. That time Upume Euro. Okay, sharp. Cross. Should have scored because uheta uyi-1. Akekho umuntu usetuzane nawe, umuntu okuphazamisayo, you're all alone. You should have scored. Ngiyaphinda futhi, guys. If in South Africa we are to win big tournament, you have to capitalize. Ufuna ukuthola i-chance, ufuna ukukora yiphi i-chance? Let me take it back. Now, watch Ukekana, right? I think he was worried about the space in between him and Undaman. But you can't be worried about his pace, and you're not even seeing awazi ukuthi umuntu wakho ukuphi, because who's this? Nyamkhosh. He was here and he's supposed to be at least in line with you. Umbone ukuthi is he making a run in front or he's making the run at the back. Watch what he does. Yabona mase iplayer maselila awusamboni. He moves here. He's thinking this striker will make the run here. Umbuthuma. But Umbuthuma doesn't. He goes behind him. And you can't blame the right back there. You can't blame the right back there. But no Umbuthuma, there was a bad header. Let me show you, Guti. It was not a good header. You can't hit the ball. Ngeke hit the ball ngale this part le. Because why I say that, you don't have full control where the ball is going. Ngale part le, yes, if you funa ukubuyisela ibhola where it's going or where it's coming, right? If you funa ukubuyisela ibhola where it's coming, then yes, you can head with this part. But if you wanted to go there or there, you can't use this part. One last chance, Pirates. So it's 2 against 2, right? 2 against 2. Now here, there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 Sundowns players. There is 2, 4, 6. There's 6 Orlando Pirates players. Angeke sonke simile asimakanga umuntu. No. Angeke sonke somaka abantu abancane. One needs to go nomfukeng la. They play a short corner. We are sleeping there. We are all sleeping. Yeah? And kuzokusuka uMatthews la uzoblocka ibhola, uzoblock ibhola. But in the Sundowns, poor clearance. Watch. One ball, loop. What a challenge. What a challenge. Now let's look at replay. Not offside. There's no offside here. But let me take it back, Gangan. I don't know if he pule engeli khona. But when the ball came, look at Umdaman. Look at Umdaman. Everyone is holding a straight line. Right? Umdamane, as a defender, you go with the runner. Maki. But he needs to learn. You need to teach him to stay on the line. Kolalea hamba, akusase straight line. Angiyazi line yakuphi le. Pass. But the problem with Tito here, he wanted a penalty. Why bekanga shy? You see, ubeka uyamstela. He's putting his left foot in front of the ball. Why bekanga khahlela ibhola? Because ibhola leli bekanga likhahlela leli. Why bekanga shy? Yes, his first touch was not good, right? His first touch was not good, we understand. But his left foot alikhahlela ibhola, ufuna ukubeka inyawo bamkhahlela. He wanted a penalty. He didn't want to shoot. Sesuku Sundowns now, right? Remember I spoke about Sundowns making tactical changes or formation changes, right? During the game. They did it again. They did it in the last game. They did it again in this game. First up, from kickoff. I'm showing you this for a reason. Yeah? I'm not showing you this because ngiyatanda. Now, this is the 3 that they had mabaphethe ibhola. So they would push up Umutiba wide left. These are the double pivots. Then you had 2 playing as half 10s. Sometimes you would find Matthews playing as a striker, as a double striker. So then sometimes he would go and be in this position, right? I'll show you another one, where he was playing on the left-hand side as a winger. So this thing, when Matthews starts his run here or Ezala, now these two go in confusion, or even this, or even Umakaula. I will show you. You know me, I show you with your last pawn. Here's another one. Look at Matthews. You look at Mutiba here. In this one, they played long. Umtamani pasi yake ayikho mnandi. This is a different one. This is Mutiba here. This is Matthews here. Another example. Now Mutiba la, Matthews is out here. What I don't understand, what I don't get, Matthews, is you're a winger. You can't take on a player one-on-one. He had so many chances to take on Usbelebele one-on-one, but you can't dribble another winger. Here is a perfect example, right? This is Umutiba. Playing inside, playing as a midfielder. He goes back into the middle. Umdamanu buyela kuphi? Buyele move. If you watch the game, this was the first time Santos moved to this area. And I'm going to show you the goal. Uguti, he was on this side. This was the first time he moved into this area. And here, he's not given time. He's not given time to turn. We all know Uguti, he's dangerous with armor passes. What does Mutiba do? He goes back into the midfield. Sundown's first goal. Remember, Uguti, Pirates had a chance. Utito had a chance to shoot, or Pirates had an appeal for a penalty. Right? No penalty, continue. And don't forget, it was a free kick before that. So now, remember, everyone is out of position. This is Usibis. Uhoto is playing as a right back. This is Uhoto here, right? Usibelebele is playing as a what? As a center back. Sundowns, I keep people. They keep on playing. Pass. Inside. Let me take it back. Uhoto was crying, Kipelani pola ngaphandle, Kipelani pola ngaphandle. But now, I'm going to show you something that Epazi say Pirates here. This is the person that scores the goal, right? Now, Maui Pegilela, it's a 5. Remember, Guti, this is Uhoto. People are out of position. People are out of position. Watch Unemtangela slightly moves in here. Uvuzovula le space lesisila. Remember, Unemtangela is a midfielder vele. So he's focusing Guti uzo press ala Gutai. Lo nyam press. Then again, Usiema, he takes, he moves He anticipates Ebola. That's what a defender vele is supposed to do. He moves backwards, anticipating Ebola, which is on his side. Kanti badlala laphaya. When uSibisi yena, he's not doing that. He's just ball watching. Watch. You see the movement? You see this movement? Here there is no movement, but space la. I can't blame him for moving go midfield because he's a midfielder, right? Maybe he should have stayed here until Caesars change his position. But sleeping on duty, you can't do that. You can't do that. You can't sleep M17. You are not a security guard. Goal number 2, Wele Sundowns. A beautiful pass from Umudib. Goal number 2, Wele Sundowns. A beautiful pass from Umudiba. He scored that goal against Itimera Rulan. But before I show you the goal, right? I always say there's always a warning. There's always a warning. In this warning, Uleon makes the run behind. But if you look at the space here, look at the space between these two central defenders. He could have made the run in between them. Because this was going to be hard for Isandaws Guti Koroso. But you can see the combination between the two. Here comes the goal. Mara, here, the Pirates Ishawe pressing. Normally when they play against small teams, right? They overpower because they're quality. So they have equality against these small teams, but now they played against another team that has equality. Now look at the pressing. It's in Idlale, my Pumi Sundowns, rewinder, just to show you Guti, they don't know how to press. Easily, Tingi move. Easily, Pume easily Sundowns. Simple, see, simple. Bait. This is the bait. Now, you look at where Usantos is. Uhoto is supposed to push here. He pushes, but he pushes late. Umakaula is supposed to push here. He's confused, Umakaula. Press. Now look at where Utito is. Remember Utito went there. If Umakaula was here, Makaula goes here, Utito goes there. Uhoto goes there. But they are too late. Because of one person angazanga press in time. Ball goes there. Nemtenjala is late. Ball watching. Says Pumil. Now we are going to score. But now, this is this guy, Usiema. He did everything right, but you're supposed to have cover. As a center back, if you are playing on the right, your left center back must cover you. Vice versa, you cover him. But here, he was not covered. This was a beautiful pass, Bafit. Oh, pass of the year. Pass of the year. You can't blame the keeper there. You can't blame the keeper. That was a beautiful pass. But cover, no cover. You must cover me. Second half. Score is 2-0 obvious Pirates, they need to come out with aggression. That's what they did. The first 20 minutes, they scored the goal, and then they had moments. Then after Lapo, Sundowns change tactically, because remember in the first half they had double pivots, right? But now they changed. They played with 2-8, 1-6 and 2-8, right? Creating a lot of movements just to keep the ball. I'm not going to show you that tactical change, but if you have time, ungayibhekelela futhi game. Now, this thing yakuthi uMutau is the best right back in Africa. It needs to stop. Untanga akakwazi ukuphasa and ushower the basics of defending. Now, let me show you. Ball goes wide. Ball goes wide. You cannot, if it's Bambi streamline, you cannot be worried about the player that's here. Even if Bebati men mark this guy. No, this guy is the one who is dangerous. They play across there. When we are focusing on this guy, Bafetu, come on. I know. The basics of defending. The player that's in front of you is the one that's dangerous. The player that's dangerous is the player that's in front of you. Go there, my man. Sugar. Sundowns had plenty of chances to clear the ball here. Nala, they don't clear the ball. Ball comes back. Take a shot. Deflection, goal. I always say football is a game of small details, small margins. Instead of passing, you take a touch, umuntu uzoba offside. Those small things. Pirates had moments in the second half where had they made the right decision, bebangakhona ukuthola igoli or just a scoring chance. Now, Sundowns, they know ukuthi Uhoto is gonna go up, right? So they had like 5 at the back. Now watch. Mufokeng comes in the pocket, turns, he pushes, he passes, it's offside. El trapper, el pusher, el pass. There's 3 touches. Imagine if he had 2 touches. Uhoto agana maprigi, guys. Agana maprigi. He should have passed the ball there. That one touch I touched it. Maybe he wanted to play a champagne pass, but it's too late. Abanye abantu bathi moving the game from Orlando to FNB was wrong. Yeah, maybe it was a business decision, and sometimes I'm a business decision biases, just like ukuhambisa umbokazi. You need, if you are going to be playing amabhola long or you want to play the ball, you need a left center back. There's a guy that they bought. Maybe they should have played him, but because maybe it was a big game, abamdlalisa. Watch Usibis. 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 yalungisa, 4 touch, we'll pass. And even though Ipola Lize Uhoto straight, it was not supposed to go straight to Uhoto. That ball was not supposed to go straight to Uhoto. Watch here. Okay, let me take it back kancane again. Futhi, when you have a half 10, it confuses the right winger or the right back. Uhoto is moving here. Umutau is not supposed to go full on press, Bafetu. Why are you going full on press? Stay here. Even if Bapasum Fukeng Ipola there, it's still okay. You must not allow ukuthi uye phambili and then badlala ibhola emuva kwakho. You are a defender. You are the one defending. He goes back. Look at the space here now. Instead of Guti, him staying here and then unontuzane azela zonal marking. Then this pass was supposed to be here. Straight. I always say you pass the ball straight in line or in between the center back and the right back. This was not a good pass, kahle kahle. Nohoto should have done better. One last chance, Pirates. I don't know good beseba cartel or what, but and the difference between the best teams in the world, Nathi, is the final decision, Bafethu. The quality of the pass, quality decision making, right? The best teams in the world, they'll make the right pass 9 out of 10. Tina, no, hey, angas. That was a bad pass. He could have played the ball in front here. He could have played the ball here. No. Oh, you go to that side. Eh? Go to your right. Go to the space. You have another player here. Valela Umutao. I think they say the Pirates. Because look at this move. Stand. Not going anywhere. Not going anywhere. That's the difference between the big teams in the world, Nathi. It's that final decision. That final decision. Now make a great decision. Please like, please share, Bafethu. Please subscribe. And again, thank you for the messages, Guma comments, Bafethu. Thank you for watching. Nyabonga.